Barry Glazer, legal advocate for the injured and disabled since 1968.
Most insurance companies have a policy they don't want you to know about. The don't ask, don't tell policy. Slip, trip, and fall cases are among the most difficult to win. As a result, your truly good neighbors will take out MedPay, so at least your doctor bills are taken care of. Here's the kicker. Insurance companies don't volunteer that information. So if you slip, trip, or fall in a business or a house, ask the insurance company, do you have MedPay? Because if you don't ask, they won't tell. Insurance companies, your day will come. I am sick and tired of these insurance companies telling you what good neighbors they are and how you're in such good hands. If your car is totaled and you owe more than it's worth, they give you the lesser amount, and you continue to pay a finance company the difference. You're an innocent victim, you're paying on a car you don't have, and you probably can't afford another car. Don't urinate on my leg and tell me it's raining. Insurance companies, we're going to court.
Barry Glazer, legal advocate for the injured, disabled, and urinated upon.
Americans are driving over 50 billion less miles since gas went up. Accidents are way down. Incredibly, the insurance industry actually wants to raise rates. Government-controlled MAFE, who insures the worst drivers that private industry won't take, wants to lower their rate, and the insurance industry is trying to block it. Insurance companies, you can urinate on some of the people some of the time, but you can't urinate on all the people all the time.
Barry Glazer, legal advocate for the injured, disabled, and urinated upon.
After Katrina, Geico increased their advertising budget by 50% to $470 million. Progressive by 45% to $354 million. Lord knows what they're spending now. Aren't they all selling the same product? Why are they advertising when they should be settling claims? You could put lipstick on an insurance company or a pig. It's still an insurance company.
Barry Glazer, legal advocate for the injured and disabled since 1968.
Nothing bums me out more than to see a hard-working family lose their house because a loved one got sick and ended up in a nursing home. Estate planning is not just for the rich. I've set up an estate planning division. For $200, you'll get a one-on-one consultation with one of my attorneys. One session can save your house and definitely substantial money for your heirs. Big corporations and big institutions hate plaintiffs' lawyers and contingency fees. Why? Because your average person could never take on a big corporation without them. Big corporations hate a level playing field. I'm proud to have been a plaintiff's attorney for over 35 years. Let me level the playing field for you. Call me at 410-547-8568.
Barry Glazer, legal advocate for the injured and disabled since 1968.
What are they going to take away from the working man next? Just last year, if you were injured on the job, you could get operated on by top quality doctors. Now, many won't see you even if they previously operated on you. Why? Because they've capped and lowered the fees doctors can charge. They fall all over each other trying to protect doctors. Who's protecting the worker?
Barry Glazer, legal advocate for the injured and disabled since 1968.
Insurance rates are high for some doctors. So is insurance for drunk drivers. Insane hours, bad medical schools, poor screening, easy access to drugs, breeds outrageous negligence, and it shouldn't be cheap. Don't try to heal the system. Physician, heal thyself. The price of malpractice is high. It costs lives, limbs, organs, sanity. It's easy to blame the victims and their advocates. The problem is the perpetrator. Physician, heal thyself.
Barry Glazer, legal advocate for the injured and disabled since 1968.
My father was a shipping clerk. He was a hard worker and a good man, but he couldn't afford a good lawyer. My legal fees are designed for the working person. I charge $100 for a will, $500 for minor district court and traffic violations, $550 for uncontested divorce, it includes everything. No recovery, no fee on all accidents. Call me for a free consultation.
Barry Glazer, legal advocate for the injured and disabled since 1968.